Hello. Let's see how to connect your AirPods on your Mac. The thing is, you don't want to disconnect AirPods on your iPhone. What you have to do is open your system preference in Mac and go to Bluetooth and just open your AirPod box, and you can see a button in the AirPod box, and please long press that until you can see that AirPod on your devices list. Now I am pressing the button in my AirPod box. You can see the light changes to white, right? Now click connect. After connected, what we will have to do, the thing is, you have to know is when you disconnected your AirPods like this, you can get your AirPods away from your box and double press to connect again, right? But you will notice that you are not able to get audio output from your Mac to this AirPod. The things that you have to do is go to your sound volume, and go to output. Now you can change that into your AirPod, and if you want to send the input, you can change that as to my AirPods, like that. After you selecting this, you can close, right? Thank you.